Can you see yourself in the 2010 Ford Escape? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this comfortable and capable Escape. This compact SUV is your calm, capable refuge in a hectic world. Designed to be family-friendly with a can-do heart, its technology protects, connects, and entertains, so you can relax and enjoy its comfortable, responsive ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. You deserve to de-stress. Get into this capable, comfortable Escape and exhale. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.